Welcome to another tech tip for students. This week I will be showing you our HSD Tech Support website. This site has many resources to help you troubleshoot issues you may be having with your Chromebook, Google Classroom, Student View, and many more. Let's get started. First, you can access this site from your My Apps page located in your HSD bookmarks, right up here, or you can just go to www.hsd.k12.or.us. And that'll take you to the district website. Then you would go to For Students, and at the very bottom, you see Student Tech Support. We click on that, and that takes you to our support website. First, let me show you that when you hover over Student Tech Support, you can see a list of all of the areas that we have resources to support your tech needs. When you hover over Guardian Information, those are resources for your parents, guardians, whoever is helping you with your schoolwork and is around when you're on your Chromebook. From the Student Tech Support site, you can switch over to the Spanish site if you'd like. It'll open up a whole separate window, so you have two sites open. So that way you can go back and forth should you need to. So scroll down a little bit more. You will see that we have resources for Chromebooks, privacy and filtering, passwords, contact information for the tech support, then also My Apps, Google Classroom, Google Meet, and Student View and Parent View. So, for instance, if you are having difficulty with your My Apps, you can come to this website, click on the My Apps or class link, and once you go to that page, you will see some links that will take you to the support on that page. So let's pretend like I can't find it when I'm trying to access it from home. So I would click on Accessing My Apps from home, and there you will see that we have a video in English, directions in English and Spanish. If I need to get back to the main page, I can click on Student Tech Support, or I can just hover over Student Tech Support and go to the next category that I think I might need help with. I'm going to go back to the Student Tech Support site. After looking through this entire site and you still don't have a solution to your issue, you can contact the Tech Help Department with this contact information right here in the center between 7:30 and 4 Monday through Friday. As always, you can also ask your teachers for help.